Hello and welcome back to part 3 of Learning with Unity. In this one I have built a upgrade system and messed around with the potions. So as you can tell, I can't collect the potions, but if I actually use some of my mana, I can actually pick them up now. I built a method to check to make sure I wasn't max mana and max HP, so I couldn't pick these up. That way players aren't wasting items that they could use later. For the upgrade system, as you can tell, I can't select any except for the first ones. I can deselect them. I plan on having how much the points will be before you purchase. Here's your max points that you can use. I haven't set up a way to get points yet, or the UI to show off how many points you got. But once I purchase it, it goes down, the HP goes up, and then I can select the next slot. Same with mana. Purchase, and you can't just keep clicking and clicking and keep clicking. Alright, now I have max mana. I can just use my special many more times. Almost, I think, double the amount of times now. And for the actual code aspect, my upgrade slots, I basically use serialized fields and getters and setters and return methods. This way that only this script can change these values and no other script can access them. And then I set up methods to call whenever I need to actually change my variables, and check how much to upgrade it, if it's been purchased, set the cost to 0. For the buy system, I used serialized fields again. This time in the wake method, I decided to call some in the wake method and some in the inspector to see if there was a performance difference, and there really wasn't. So I would recommend calling them in a wake or somewhere that's not constantly calling them. I usually never call anything in update methods and stuff like that to avoid garbage collection. So I set up a upgrade cost calculator, which increases how much cost is needed per slot that's in there. Check if the upgrade is on or off, basically. That way you can't just keep turning them on and off even after you purchased them. Add the upgrade cost, remove, confirm your purchase, and I'm sure there's plenty of cleaner ways to do this, but my method is make it work, make it better, make it faster. I'm still in the make it work stages. So this changes my slider and mana slider, health slider values to match my players. That way whenever I do an upgrade, it actually sets my max value for my sliders to my players' max HP and mana. Upgrade marker, I set that to nothing. Basically, it was just something I used that I wanted to name. That way whenever I went to my check if the upgrade's on and off, I just had a name called upgrade marker. Makes it easier for me to remember. For my potions, I had a health and mana enum, how much they restore, and iHealable. iHealable is basically an interface that if I wanted to put it on anything besides my player, I can use these and the potions will heal them too. For the player, it's just basically have a is UI on, so when the UI is on, the player can't move. I basically set up a bunch of methods with getters and setters for like increasing your max HP, mana, taking damage, stuff like that. So only this class can access it, and then I can call the methods from other ones. And that about sums it up. If there's anything anyone would like to know, just comment down below. Thank you for watching, and if you like, please subscribe. I also have a Patreon, and I've been starting a Twitter and a bunch of other things, so I have the links down below. Thank you for watching.